Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Palau loong baga Bharatiya Janata Party baga National People's Party kisulap me tangha ka thok yau paidbah. Habakran ka jinga lang bat kilat pathai kubor ha kano paisngi jong ka arpulai tari uno pra arzar puar uba Palau loong baga BJP kalau subertan ban weng jing kersa naga sorkar ban kular ban yoti dawyong ka jing berngam ban wanra CBI ni Enforcement Directorate Henry kini baro ki klampoi SHA ru uloong baga NPP ru ka kular ban tap kam tap jam ki samla Henry Kaneru kasukot tangha ka jingkular.
Record of the BJP is always telling lie. I think one of the BJP, you see last time when they came here, the in charge of the BJP who came from Delhi along with other officers, officials of the BJP or office bearers of the BJP, they said that they are within a month they will withdraw from the government and they will send ED, they will send CDI, they will send these and these, but nothing has happened as of now. So that is one big lie. I think the National Party is lying to the people of Meghalaya. They underestimated the sentiments of the people of Meghalaya. Another lie with the BJP is that in their manifesto they have said that within 180 days the coal mining will be restarted. The NPP and BJP are lying to the people of Meghalaya. So these keep on lying. BJP and NPP, they are used to it. NPP also, they have said that they are going to give it so many jobs to the people. And they are going to do so many recruitments, but nothing happened. I think that's why I'm saying that people will not trust the BJP or the NPP. If you look at the past experience, past promises, they have no shame of false promises. I think that's very important for the people to know.